Hello everybody, you guys are watching Blog Beauty Simar and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share my morning skincare routine with you guys. We're gonna try to speak in English and Hindi both, so more people can understand what I'm saying. Because many times I get a request I should speak in English as well. Because so many of my followers, they don't really understand Hindi or Punjabi, so I thought I'm gonna do this in both the languages. So I hope you guys gonna like this different thing in me. Alright, so we all know the importance of skincare in our life and especially for our skin, but we spend so much time on our nighttime skincare routine, but we should also do not forget about our morning skincare routine because that's very crucial too. Whatever you apply on your face in the morning, you're gonna stay all day and gonna work for you and for your skin. So I kept my morning skincare very simple. In fact, my nighttime skincare routine is very simple too, but you know, I add few products here and there, like depends on my skin condition on those days. In the morning, I just use 4 steps. Let's talk a little about my skin. I have an oily skin. You guys must heard me talking about my skin many times. I have an oily skin, but I have a problem of dehydration, which is less water in my skin. In past, I made a mistake by using wrong and harsh products on my skin because I have oily skin, so I thought I have to use something to control my oils, and which is not very good. You should leave your skin as it is and use some complementing products on your skin. You just can't change your skin type. If I have oily skin, by using products which are oil controlling, I can't change my skin from oily to normal or dry. So you shouldn't do that. Because I was using so much products which were oil controlling, so there was less oil on my skin. So my skin thought, the oil's missing, so my skin produced even more oil. So I started getting zits, acne, so many blackheads and whiteheads, and then I tried to pop them and then I have scars. So the moral of the story is you guys shouldn't be using harsh products on your skin. The products I'm using, mainly my focus is hydration and gentle and good ingredients, soap-free products and paraben-free and you know, bad ingredient-free product, because I'm getting old and I'm really worried about my skin. I wish I thought about this kind of skincare earlier. I wouldn't have this kind of problem which I'm facing now. So yeah, it's never too late. So आजकल मेरी जिंदगी का फोकस है कि जो भी मैं स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स चूज करूँ वो हाइड्रेटिंग हो और जेंटल हो, क्योंकि पास्ट में मैंने ऐसे किया है कि मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयली प्रोडक्ट, ऑयल कंट्रोलिंग प्रोडक्ट मेरी स्किन पे यूज़ किए, जिसकी वजह से मेरी स्किन ने और ज़्यादा ऑयल प्रोड्यूस किया और जिसकी वजह से मेरी स्किन पे एक्ने आने शुरू हो गए। और उनको कंट्रोल करने के लिए मैंने और हार्श प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ किए। जब मैंने ऐसे किया तो मेरी स्किन को लगा कि उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयल की कमी है, उसने और ऑयल प्रोड्यूस किया। मेरी स्किन में एक्चुअली वो प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करने से पानी की कमी हो गई थी और फिर मेरी स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा डिहाइड्रेटेड फील होती थी और मैं जब मेरे फेस को वॉश करती थी वो इतना ड्राई लगता था और मुझे लगता था कि मेरी जो स्किन है वो ड्राई है, पर एक्चुअली वो डिहाइड्रेटेड थी। सो ये मेरा सत्संग है स्किन के बारे में। सो आई एम गोना शेयर माय 4 स्टेप स्किन केयर मेथड विद यू राइट नाउ। So the number 1 product I'm using these days, cleanser. The brand is Dermavive, and this is a hydrating cleanser. You guys can see the name. It's a hydra cleanser for sensitive skin conditions. I have a sensitive skin condition, and this is with natural colloidal oatmeal. Oatmeal is very hydrating for your skin, so it's a very good ingredient to use on your face. The other very good thing about this cleanser is it's free of SLS, soap. Soap is no good for your skin. When you wash your face with soap, you feel very good. You feel very clean. But actually, by using soap, you also clean your good oils from your skin, which is not very good for your skin. So you want those oils to stay on your face. So it's been years since I used soap on my face. So this is soap free. Fragrance free. I hate fragrance in my skincare because they are artificial. So yeah, I don't want something artificial on my face. It's okay for me to, you know, apply a smelly product, but I don't like using fragrance. For my cleanser, for my moisturizer, I really like products which are without fragrance. And other thing, it's paraben free and lanolin free. So that's about this. I'm gonna take a pea size amount, apply on my face, massage gently. You don't have to clean like thoroughly in the morning because you did the night skincare routine, so your skin is not that dirty. So yeah, gently massage it for a few seconds and wash your face with lukewarm water. You're done with that. The second step is very important as well. It's toning. What the toning gonna do, especially it gonna balance the pH in your skin. It's gonna work as a hydration agent. So if you're using some sort of astringents on your face, please stop using that. Use something which is hydrating and not so harsh on your skin. So the one I'm using right now is Kiehl's Ultra Hydration Milky Toner. I apply generously on my face and let it dry. Once it's nice and dry, this is the time to apply moisturizer. Moisturizer is very important. If you have oily skin, doesn't matter. बहुत बार होता है कि हम लोग सोचते हैं कि oily skin है तो moisturizer की ज़रूरत नहीं, हमारी skin तो ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा oily है. अगर moisturizer apply नहीं करोगे तो आपकी skin को लगेगा कि इसको ऑयल की ज़रूरत है और ज़्यादा ऑयल प्रोड्यूस करेगा. अगर आप अच्छी क्वालिटी का मॉइस्चराइजर अप्लाई कर लो, then your skin gonna be happy and no work to do because you applied all the oil which were essential. So the one I'm using right now is Nutriderm's Vitamin E Moisturizing Lotion. This lotion is really good, very nice, very gentle on your skin. Okay, because this moisturizer got a vitamin E, so it's very hydrating on your skin. And because of vitamin E, it's very good for acne scars. You guys know I have black marks on my skin, so that's why I'm using this. It's been 3 weeks since I'm using this skincare. I'm really happy with the results. Hydrating skin, very nice and very soft skin, supple skin. If you use a hydrating product on your face, you feel the difference. You can easily feel it. I'm really liking these products. And last but not the least, क्योंकि ये morning का skincare है, so you must apply sunscreen. Sunscreen is so essential for your skincare. अगर आप अपनी skincare में कुछ भी नहीं करना चाहते तो धोके moisturizer लगा के sunscreen लगा लें. That's it. If you are applying sunscreen on your face, you are good to go. Like you don't need anything else in your life. Sunscreen gonna protect you from sun damage, from fine lines, early aging, and for dark spots. आपकी एज क्या है, बच्चे को भी चाहिए सनस्क्रीन, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Especially if you have any sort of black marks on your skin, if you're not applying any sunscreen, and the marks gonna be even darker. If you have hyperpigmentation, it's gonna be even darker. So you guys need sunscreen in your life. I love using Shiseido, Neutrogena, which are easy to apply. Sometimes I like to use the powder sunscreen on my face. Here I'm using Neutrogena's hyaluronic acid sunscreen because it's again hydration. I love hydration. So that's it, my morning routine, easy peasy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I really hope this video gonna help you. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो लाइक करना, कमेंट करना, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना. और अगर आप जानना चाहते हैं मैंने कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ किए हैं, I'm gonna leave these products link in description box. They are very affordable and easily available around the world. You guys can buy them on Amazon, Flipkart, and anywhere actually. So, and the very important thing I forgot, they are Australian made and Australian owned. Yes. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna see you in my next one. Do not forget guys, you're beautiful the way you are. Stay happy, confident and strong. You guys can do any freaking thing. All you have to do is think about it and take action. That's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Bye, love you.